Karas hlukana noShaba. Yes, uShaba too much. Yes, uShaba is all of that. Yes, uyamwayinta intwana yakho, but no, this is becoming personal, guys. This is no longer banter. This is becoming personal. You can see ukuthi uKaras enjoys to see uShaba suffer. It's no longer about the fact ukuthi siyawayintana, you get the vibe. It's like yabo nje mabamphoqa uyajabula like yo, like ungathi uShaba uyi-threat kuKaras. Angazi ukuthi why, but deep down something is not right, because uShaba tried to address the issue on the podcast ukuthi yazini Frontman lami ngiyakuhlonipha, but now you're doing too much. But uKaras just dismissed uShaba as if uShaba is weak for voicing his opinions. But I understand the way uShaba went about it was unprofessional. They could have done this off camera, but maybe off camera he's not gonna take it lightly. So let me try to address him in front of the whole nation watching, or the Kasi Jam family watching, so that maybe umuntu mangimtshela phambi kwabantu he might try to azikhuze umdala, I mean. But uKaras, it seemed like ingene ngapha yaphuma ngapha, because every time uZuma was just maybe angaphenduli uShaba the way uShaba wanted, or bongathi uyampoka, you could see how excited he was. That like, yeah, ngene uyamlaya, you know, he was like laughing in such a way ukuthi this is personal. This is no longer, you know, ukuhleka ukuthi siyahleka because of ubhayizile, but it was like uyalayeka, you get the vibes. And also I feel like this podcast, they need to have key points, because this thing artist this conversation is going to flow. No, whether there's an artist or there's no artist, even if there's no artist, they need to have key points, because sometimes it gets to a point where it becomes a little bit boring because they lack key points. You get the vibe. And also when it comes to Karas needs to educate himself, you know. Sean 101 lo waziwa work phela, no madala bayabazi labo bamameli piano bayamazi Sean 101 ukuthi ubani. When they spoke about Durban Koko is one of the most famous celebrities in Mzansi. If you don't know Durban Koko, where are you living at? If you listen to Mapiano, are you living under the rock? No. Durban Koko is famous. And when they spoke about Durban Koko dating Uchu, he was like, Durban Koko waziwa yini. I mean, come on, Durban Koko is big. Umntwana wama politician, what do you mean? So I feel like uKaras needs to watch a lot of podcasts, get on TikTok, get on Facebook, like abe busy kuma social media, so that whenever something is trending, as fundise, learn a lot about these people, so that when they speak, wena ube ngathi nje ugibele ibus ele wrong. And also this thing of uKaras ukuthi akhulume nje angacabangi, like he doesn't think most of the time, you know. When he thinks, he's unlike uTontada. uTontada will keep quiet, but whenever evula umlomo he speaks izinto ezikhera ama-weight, like he said before. But with Karas and Shaba, uShaba unokulahlekanyana, mara uShaba ungcono. uShaba, you can tell ukuthi he watches a lot of podcasts, hence why he keeps asking, where did it begin? You can tell, because that's how most of these podcasts go, especially if you are going to interview a celebrity, and which I think that's the right way to go about it. You get the vibes. But when it comes to uKaras, it's like unnecessarily he will throw punchlines, he'll say things that don't make sense, hence why you can say umashaya, like he lies a lot, because this it doesn't make sense. Even the gun thing is that thing, and then when they ask him, and then he acts like like I don't understand what's happening. You get the vibe. But Karas, you need to get your ish together, because one thing about Umekchi, there's people who have come to the podcast and people who have left, you know, especially these sub groups or sub networks. We've seen a few faces leave the podcast, so he needs to get his act together so that they can be a team and we can get the best of them. Because the first episode we got the best of them, I don't want to lie, but the following episode you could see the clash is affecting their work. Hopefully ukuthi angazi ukuthi izofika kuye, but hopefully he gets his act together. Ahlukane noShaba. uShaba mncane, uShaba uyazama, uShaba icolleague yakhe, akusiyona enemy yakho. Just love uShaba, understand uShaba, ngena lapha ushayela into yakho usuke. Hence why ububuza uzuma ama-question ukuthi kuyayenzeka ukuthi ufike e-studio ufeel ukuthi hayi namhlanje bangishayile, because that's how you feel when you look at uDon noShaba ubona ukuthi ya la ngathi nje yimi engiyi-one engilahlekile, because you ask unrelevant questions. And also even that time the medium came ekutshela ukuthi you deserve your own podcast. No, that medium did not want to tell you the actual reason ukuthi you are not in sync with Shaba and Don Dada's energy, because these two, they know a lot about this industry. Don Dada is not a 2K, but he adapts